It's Margarita, and today we have a very special edition. This one is just for the men, and we are doing none other than Carolina Herrera's Bad Boy, COBALT, le parfum électrique. Macy's and I have been having our affair yet again. Y'all know I've been on this kick, had this haul, they had a fragrance sale, and your girl had to give in. But this, I figured I'd do something different and not just shop for myself. Mr. Man wanted some fragrances. He always asks me when I go fragrance shopping, did you get something for me? What did you get for me? Or I'll tell him, hey, I got you some samples. So I figured I'd surprise him with some bottles. Now, Carolina Herrera has gotten some new fragrances out. I personally am not a fan of any of her women's fragrances. They're very nice, they just don't fit me. However, I wanted to see how it would do for the men. So check this out. Yes, I smelled it first because I am very impatient, but let me show you. The lightning bolt, the shape of the bottle, her presentation is amazing. I'm sure many of you know she won an award for best presentation, if I'm not mistaken, for the high heel, the stiletto bottle that she has for her Good Girl line. However, I now have a very special guest with me to test this in person on camera. So without further ado, check it out.
Thank you. Let me clarify. I never ask her, what did she get me? I just say, did you bring me something back besides the bill?
You hear that? I don't know if you can hear him, but he accuses me of saying that he asked me for stuff or asked me if I got him something. But when I set those bags down and he sees it as fragrances, 9 times out of 10, he knows there's something in there for him. But while that's drying down, let me read you the notes. Pink pepper, lavender, plum, geranium, truffle, vetiver, cedar, and oak. So this, you can hear, is just a very woody fragrance. Possibly very masculine, but not too over the top. I'm kind of concerned about the pink pepper and the truffle note because those can kind of go spicier, even earthy. Now, he likes fresh fragrances typically. He loves fragrances with a nice citrus note, particularly bergamot. If you can get some bergamot or even a tropical like a coconut, 9 times out of 10, if those are dominant, he will love it. So this is a deviation from what he normally wears. So what do you think?
Well, smelling it right now, I'm not impressed. It just smells like you walk through the cologne section of a department store. It's like when you get all those smells all compressed into one and you walk through, you're like, oh, okay, there's the fragrance department. That's what this smells like. It doesn't reach for me. It doesn't make me feel confident. You know, fragrance is supposed to give you a feeling. When you wear it, you're supposed to be like, yeah, I smell it. This is gonna give me my confidence for the day. You know, like when you put your clothes on. So for this, no.
Interesting. It's wafting over here as you're moving. He speaks with his hands, and it smells good. Now it smells good, but like he said, it doesn't wow me either. It doesn't jump out and say, ooh, what's that? It's got a nuttiness, so I do like the nutty note, but it's not enough to make you say, oh my God, I need to go get that. It does smell like a million other things that have been done before. Now, fragrance companies are notorious for doing crowd pleasers and building upon their past successes. So you will notice that a lot of new releases smell like something you've already smelled, and this is no exception. So that said, we will not be repurchasing this. However, the bottle is nice. It's great for display. It's a wonderful showpiece, sculpture-like even. But for the smell and for the price, I think it was just under $100 if I recall correctly. This one was a dud. Now again, it smells good, very nice, but it's just nice. It's not, oh my goodness, wait a minute, not stop someone. No one's gonna chase you down and ask you what it is because it's not unique. They smelled it before, and like he says, it smells like the department store perfume counter. Think of it as the everything sauce of men's fragrance, because that's kind of what it is. It's just a mix of a bunch of stuff in the air, but it is nice. But let me know, have you tried any of Carolina's fragrances? I'd love to hear about it, especially the gentlemen. Have y'all tried anything, and does anything get you a response from the ladies that just makes you want to continue to buy it? Let me know in the comments. Also, like and subscribe to our channel because we talk about it all. And until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.